Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to align images top and bottom using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file and select Edit option. Now select Edit Object and select Image and click on this image and select multiple. Press Ctrl key from your keyboard and hold it. Select second one. Two of these now selected. Now click right button and here you will find this align option. This is top align. See this. Also align this two images. I will align two of this bottom and see this and move down and see this. Also I'll align these images top. See this. Yeah. In this way you can top and bottom align you can fix. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.